In this tutorial, you'll learn how to book an online appointment with a business on Bizzll. Only businesses that have been claimed or are managed by their owner allow appointment bookings. First, go to the business's page on the platform. Once there, click the Book Appointment button. You'll see a list of available services offered by that business. Select the service you wish to book. Next, choose a date from those available on the calendar. Then, complete the form with the user's information who will attend the appointment. Review the details and click Confirm Booking. An order for your appointment will be automatically generated. To complete the process, go to the shopping cart. There, enter your billing information and your credit or debit card details. Click Complete Purchase to make the payment. If the payment is successful, an image of your invoice will appear on the screen. You will also receive a copy by email. You can view your appointments in the user dashboard. You'll also have access to your purchase invoice history. That's how easy it is to book and pay for your appointment online on Bizzll.